Welcome to Mora AFC. It is what it is. I'm gonna give you all the tricks and the tips that you need to achieve this. I'm telling you, I know you have watched several videos, but I'm telling you, they will never teach you this trick, and they will never go details like I'm about to go details to you. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment, and click on notification bell. I'm gonna explain to you, go details, step by step. If you follow these steps, you're always gonna achieve the greatest of it. It's Mora FC. It is what it is. Just look how beautiful it is. You can see there's no bunky anywhere. Even the white inner, you can't even see it when you close the buttons. It's gonna give you amazing results. So follow the steps. So let's get started. This is 5.5 inches by 8 inches. So I'm marking 2 inches. So I'm going to draw a straight line to differentiate the 2 inches and the 3.5 inches. So 4.5 inch, and a half inch at the wrong side. You can see I'm working on the wrong side of this fabric. I'm marking 6.5 inches. You can mark 7 inches or 7.5 inches, but I'm marking 6.5 inches. I don't need to do this, but because of the beginners, I have to draw this line to explain to you, for you to understand what is going on. So that's the line that I'm going to sew on. Just closer to the line, the middle line. Usually when you come there, you make another curve. You just blend in a little bit, blend in that place. So you just watch, you just have to blend in when you get there. Then you left your foot, you just go in by 2 steps, and you just go on top like that. Then you cut it through. You just lift everything to the wrong side. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment, and click on notification bell, because I post videos every Sunday, sometimes on Mondays. So click on notification bell, so anytime you will be updated anytime I post a new video. So you keep eye on it. You make sure everything is perfect. See. Then we're gonna fold this into 2. Make sure the bottom one is longer than the top one. It have to come through the fabric. As you can see what I'm doing, just have to do the same thing. And then you iron it. You can see when you put on it like this, you can see it fall perfectly on it. You won't find any problem. No, we're gonna stitch at the top, at the top of it, closer to the tip, or maybe in between. You can sew in between first, then you sew on top again, making 2. To hold it down, to hold it firm, You can turn it and sew, or maybe you can just sew on top. As a beginner, you gotta turn it and sew it, because when I sew it on top like that, you're gonna miss your steps. So I'm feeling with my hand and I'm sewing on top. So you need to keep on practice like this. You sew on top like that. You lift your foot, then you make sure you check the down there. Everything lies perfectly. Then you put your foot down. Can you imagine when I reached this part and the light was out? So I need to pause and come back later when the light is on. It is what it is. So here I'm just using my hand without the light. The light went off. So I stopped and I came back later when the light is on. So I'm just making a triangle over there at the bottom, as you can see. It's more IFC. It is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment. Click on notification bell. You can leave it like this. If you want, you can leave it like this. If you want, you can do so that multiple sign, in the middle. I'm going to do that and show you. Doing the multiple sign in the middle. It's optional. It's not compulsory. You can either leave it that way or you can do it this way. It's up to you. Which one do you want? I'm just teaching you both of it for you to know which one to pick. So you can see it lies perfectly. You make your bottoms hole and you put your bottoms there. Just have to fix your bottoms hole. Then you fix your bottoms. You can see the outcome. It is what it is. More IFC. Nothing is hidden, nothing is hiding. We give it all out. But don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment and click on notification bell. It is what it is. What you think? Send me your ideas. Send me whatever you want to ask questions, and I'll gladly give you an answer. God bless everybody. God bless you all. As you can see, that's the end result of it. Putting your bottoms holes and putting your bottoms on it. This is how it's come. Thank you for watching. Me out.